Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was a sweet and imaginative girl who loved Halloween more than any other day of the year. Halloween was magical in her town, filled with excitement and wonder. As October approached, Lily's anticipation grew. She had always dreamt of having a special adventure on Halloween night. One bright and breezy afternoon, she sat on her porch, lost in her thoughts about the adventures she could have. Suddenly, an enchanting butterfly flew by. It was not an ordinary butterfly. It had shimmering wings that sparkled like stardust. Lily was captivated and decided to follow it, wondering where it might lead her. The butterfly gracefully flew through the neighborhood, and Lily followed, feeling a sense of magic in the air. It led her to a beautiful garden filled with pumpkins, each carved with unique and cheerful faces. In the heart of the garden stood a friendly scarecrow named Sam. Sam was lively and charming. He invited Lily to join the Pumpkin Patch Parade, a magical event on Halloween night. Excitedly, Lily agreed and was introduced to other friendly scarecrows, talking animals, and even a wise old tree with a playful spirit. They all worked together to prepare for the grand parade. Lily, with her creative flair, helped design beautiful masks for everyone. She painted them with vibrant colors and adorned them with glitter and sequins, adding a sprinkle of magic to each one. On Halloween night, as the moon rose high in the sky, the parade began. Lily wore her own mask, a masterpiece of her creativity. The parade wove through the town, spreading joy and laughter. The neighbors cheered and clapped, enchanted by the beauty of the masks and the spirit of the parade. Lily danced and twirled, feeling the magic of the night in her heart. After the parade, the animals and scarecrows thanked Lily for making the night so special. They gifted her a magical pumpkin lantern that would always guide her through the darkest times, spreading warmth and light. Lily returned home, her heart filled with gratitude and joy. She knew this Halloween had been a truly magical adventure, one she would cherish forever. From that day on, whenever she felt lost, she would light her magical lantern and remember the enchanting Halloween night when dreams came alive. And so, in that little town, Halloween remained a night of delightful adventures, magical parades, and the warmth of friendship. The end.